Welcome to solverfy.
We want to photograph a 38-meter tall tree from a distance of 65 meters. So we have the tree has height 38 meters, and the distance that we want to photograph is 65 meters. And we want to know what focal length we should use if the image is to fill a 24 millimeters height sensor. So the sensor is 24 millimeters. So first we can find the distance of the image that we will get in this situation. So we get the magnification rate is the relation between the object and the height of the sensor, and this we can relate to the distance of the image divided by distance of the object. So we can write this distance of the image is minus distance of the object h1 divided by h0, and we can use these values to obtain 41 millimeters. The image here in this situation is inverted, and with this distance of the image we can find the focal point easily, because now it's just a matter of 1 over d0 plus 1 over the image is equal to 1 over f. So focal point is d0 the image divided by d0 plus the image, and this is 65 times 0.041, everything in meters, and 65 plus 0.041, and this gives us 41 millimeters. So the object is essentially at infinity, so the image distance is equal to the focal length.